What is up, party people? Welcome to Des Moines, Iowa. Come on, feel Des Moines! The capital city of Iowa and an incredible food town. There are too many great restaurants to mention, so I'm just gonna give you the highlights. Fong's Pizza. Famous for interesting concoctions. We got the crab rangoon pizza. It was not what I expected, but it was delicious. Zombie Burger. Highly recommend the cereal milkshakes here. They also have a burger here where the bun is literally just 2 grilled cheese sandwiches. And then you put the meat patty on the grilled cheese sandwiches bun. And you're eating 2 grilled cheese sandwiches and a beef patty. It's incredible. I didn't get that because it would kill me. Up Down. For $35, $25 on Sunday, you get 80 tokens, 6 beers, and a fanny pack. Also keep in mind that every game there only costs 1 token to play. This has got to be one of my favorite bars in the country. Here in Des Moines, Anthony's wife Val surprised Anthony with a visit for the whole weekend, and Emily's husband Josh also came to visit for the weekend. Emily was a little nervous for me and Josh to meet because she was afraid that he and I might get along too well and then she'd be stuck with me. And she was right to be nervous. She's stuck with me now. Here we played the Des Moines Civic Center. This gorgeous multi-venue facility houses a 200-seat theater for smaller performances and the Performing Arts Center. This theater opened its doors in 1979 and seats more than 2,700 people. We played 5 shows over the course of 3 days. It's also home to Cowles Commons, where there are plenty of outdoor events during the less cold months. On Saturday, Katie wasn't feeling very well, so she had to call out for both shows, which meant Brenna was on for the role of Sherry, and Zoe Unkovich, our fearless dance captain, swung up for the role of waitress number 1. Then on Sunday, Anthony wasn't feeling too hot, and while Steven is the first cover for Drew, Steven also wasn't feeling well. So, Mark went on for the role of Drew, which meant I swung up for the role of Joey Primo.
Ah, shit, money! Yeah, Arsenal's blowing up. They got that new hit, Beaver Hunt.
We had a great time here, and I'm bummed we're leaving. But, on to the next city. Next stop, Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Thanks so much for coming out, chase your dreams, and cheers.